अब घर बैठे पाइए हर चीज़ बीगोज़ के साथ। वक्त आपका बहुत कीमती है, वक्त बचाइए, वक्त पर पाइए। हर ऐप का एक ऐप बीगोज़ अभी डाउनलोड कीजिए और 500 के मुफ्त कूपन की शॉपिंग कीजिए।
स्वागत है आपका भी न्यूज नेशन में। मैं हूं आबिद हुसैन। महिला विश्वविद्यालय में राज्यपाल के हाथों प्रदान की गई डिग्रियां। बीजापुर शहर के बाहरी इलाके में रहे अक्का महादेवी महिला विश्वविद्यालय कैंपस में चले 12वें कॉन्वोकेशन कार्यक्रम में पहुंचे राज्य के गवर्नर और विश्वविद्यालय के चांसलर थावर चंद गहलोत ने सुमा सुरेंद्र को संगीत विभाग में डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री और कल्पना सरोज को उद्यमशीलता और महिला सबलीकरण में डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री देकर सम्मानित किया गया। इन महिलाओं को इस कार्यक्रम को इन्फोसिस चेयरमैन सुधा मूर्ति ने वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम के जरिए चालन किया। इस मौके पर एमएलए सोमन गौड़ा पाटिल, सासनूर विधान परिषद सदस्य हनुमंत निरानी, उप कुलपति तुलसी माला, कुल सचिव आर सुनंदम्मा और मीडिया समिति अध्यक्ष ओमकार काकड़े रहे मौजूद।
थैंक यू एवरीवन। I request the students of Department of Music and Performing Arts for the national anthem followed by the invocation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I request everyone to take your seats, please. Saraswati Vandane. Good morning to you all. Warm greetings to everyone on behalf of Karnataka State Akka Mahadevi Women's University, Vijayapura. Honorable Governor of Karnataka and Chancellor of our university, Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot ji. Honorable Minister for Higher Education and Pro-Chancellor of our university, Dr. Ashwath Narayan in absence, and esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Sudha Murthy, I am privileged to offer a warm welcome to all of you to the 12th annual convocation of our university. I also welcome all the distinguished invitees, esteemed members of the syndicate, academic council, donors, teaching and non-teaching faculty, media representatives and parents of the graduates who are bachelors. I extend a warm welcome to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I deem it an honor to present before you a brief background of our Honorable Governor and Chancellor Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot ji. He hails from a village several significant positions in Bharatiya Janata Party. He was elected to the Legislative Assembly of Madhya Pradesh thrice. The next step was Lok Sabha elections. He became the Member of Parliament between 1996 and 2009. He had as
I declare the convocation open. Let the candidate for the various degrees be presented.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor to introduce the honorary doctorates to the Honorable Chancellor and confirm them with the Doctorate of Honor. Parallelly, I request Professor P.G. Tarsar to read the citation of honorary doctorate to the August gathering.
Born in a Dalit family, Mrs. Kalpana Saroj believes in the principles of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. At an early age, she started working as a seamstress for ₹2 per day, and then, with a small loan, she turned into an entrepreneur. She later became a social worker and is striving hard through her Rashtriya Ekta Yuva Manch to provide jobs and educate masses. Her dedicated efforts have seen many of the problems of women working in different industrial sectors solved, which made her a popular voice to support the downtrodden. She is a recipient of the Padma Shri Award in 2013, Nari Shakti Award in 2019, World Buddhist Outstanding Awards in 2016, Excellence Award for Outstanding Indian Entrepreneur in 2019, special honor by the Vice President of Nepal, among many others. Considering her achievements and contributions in the field of entrepreneurship and also women empowerment, Karnataka State Akka Mahadevi Women's University confers on her the Doctor of Literature in its 12th annual convocation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor P. Kannan to read the citation of Honorary Doctorate Dr. Suma Sudhindra to the August gathering.
Dr. Suma Sudhindra, a disciple of Sri L. Rajarao and Sri Chitti Babu, is the leading Veena artist in her generation. She is a doctorate in music from Bangalore University in 1989. She is a recipient of senior fellowship from the Central Sangeet Academy, Kalai Mamani Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu, First Female Artist Award from the Government of Karnataka, Karnataka Rajyostava Award, the Sangeeta Nritya Academy Award, the Veena Sheshana National Award, Gana Kala Bhushana Award, the Central Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Veena Rajarao National Award. She has rendered her music performance in several stages on various auspicious occasions in India and abroad. Like
Various degrees to please stand up and bow to the Honorable Chancellor, and you can take seats.
Respected sir, all the deans of various faculties have presented their candidates for the award of degrees. I request you to kindly admit them to the concerned degrees.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Karnataka State Akka Mahadevi Women's University, Vijaypur, I admit the eligibility candidate to the concerners degrees under the Faculty of Arts, Social Sciences, Science and Technology, Commerce and Management, and Education. I order you to behave properly in your life and conservation in conformity with sanctity of the degrees you deserve.
Thank you, sir. I request Registrar for the presentation of gold medalists to receive their degrees.
Faculty of Arts, Sunanda Saukar, Government First Grade College, highest marks in MA Kannada. She's secured 3 gold medals. Srimati Sangamaji Biradar Minajigi gold medal, Sri Ishwar Chandra Chintamani gold medal, and Srimati Parvati Chintamani gold medal. Sunanda Saukar. Sunanda Saukar, Government First Grade Women's College, Jamkhandi. She is receiving 3 gold medals. Srimati Sangama Ji Biradar Minajigi gold medal, Sri Ishwar Chandra gold medal, Srimati Parvati Ishwar Chandra Chintamani gold medal. The Faculty of Commerce and Management, Asha Tikoti, BLDA Arts and Commerce College for Women, Vijaypura, highest marks in MCOM. She secured 2 gold medals, Srimati Yamunabai Ramappa Sankat gold medal, Sitaram Zindal Foundation gold medal. Faculty of Education, Aruna Mahalingapur, Department of Studies in Physical Education. She secured highest marks in MP8. She secured 2 gold medals. Srimati Lakshmava Narayana Chikbalapur gold medal, Srimati Channamma Siddappa Tumkur gold medal, and also highest marks in MP8 practicals, late Dr. Rajiv Chandra gold medal. Aita Muru. Faculty of Science and Technology, Sujata Madarakandi, Department of Food Processing and Nutrition, Women's University, highest marks in MSc Food Processing and Nutrition. She secured 3 gold medals. Srimati Chandrakala Gautam Chand Buba, gold medal. Srimati Yamunabai Ramappa Sankat, gold medal. Srimati Sumitra Basappa Mamdapur, gold medal. Now the Faculty of Social Science, Bhuvaneshwari Patil, secured Department of Library and Information Science, Women's University, highest marks in Masters of Library and Information Science. Late Srimati Sadhana Venkatesh Thorgal, gold medal. Srimati Dakshayani B. Biradar, gold medal. Highest marks in Personality Development paper, late Amrita Chandavarkar, gold medal. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, and thank you all dear students. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to recite the extracts of command.
स्क्रैच कीजिए, ऑफर पाइए। जी हाँ, एस्पायर स्पोकन इंग्लिश सॉफ्ट स्किल ने वाव कार्ड लॉन्च किया है, जिसमें आप 80% तक का डिस्काउंट पा सकते हैं। जल्दी कीजिए, ये ऑफर लिमिटेड है। एडमिशन कीजिए और 1 साल का ऑफर पाइए, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं। बाघमारे हॉस्पिटल में दांतों की बीमारी से जुड़े हर तरह का किया जाता है इलाज, जिसके माहिर ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जन डॉक्टर शान करीमी करेंगे आपका उम्मीद से भरपूर इलाज। तो आज ही विजिट कीजिए बाघमारे मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, सकाफरोजा सरकारी उर्दू स्कूल नंबर 4 के पास।
मेटालिक्स, BLD रोड, विजयपुरा।
ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಉಡುಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪುರುಷರ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್ ಉಡುಗೆಗಳು ಈಗ ವಿಜಯಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಹರಿಯಾಪ್, ತ್ವರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಉಡುಗೆಗಾಗಿ
ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿयल शोरूम,
बिसाइड गुंज, ऑपोजिट SS कॉम्प्लेक्स, BLD रोड, विजयपुरा।
और खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए बी न्यूज नेशन।